Hi, a very warm welcome to the Magic Square lovers of beginners level, that's up to the age group of 7 years. Though you know the counting of 3-digit numbers only, it's more than sufficient. Just one basic requirement is love to learn and know more about the concepts. Yes, you may have a doubt how one should know the sum of the magic constant. There are very simplest ways for beginners level as well. Fill up the 5 by 5 sequence grid. Yes, here you got the sum. Just check it. Add the diagonals and get the magic constant. The other way is multiply the middle number of the sequence board, that is 13, by its order, that is 5. So 13 5s are 65 is your magic constant here. Here it comes the flip method. For that you have to draw this 5 by 5 grid, make this grid and extend its non-diagonal cells or the squares on its four sides as shown on the figure here. Then fill up the numbers whichever the direction you. Here it comes the very first pattern of the upward filling. There are 4 upward fillings and 4 downward fillings given in this flip method pattern. Fill up the numbers 1 to 25 upward. Observe it keenly. You see, on the outermost layer 1, 5, 15, 21, which gets flipped inside the grid to its opposite side with the same distance. It's inside the line on the, it means the same row or the same column. Yes, you are done. Just get the total. Check it. Vertically, horizontally and diagonally you are getting 65. Yes. It comes the next one. Again the upward filling. Fill up the numbers 1 to 25. Flip the numbers inside the grid, whichever falls outside with the same distance. Check their total. It's awesome. I've got 65 all the directions. Yes, the next pattern it is. Fill up the grid 1 to 25. Before flipping the numbers, you should observe that keenly which diagonal has the numbers in its sequence of the middle numbers 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Based on that you can command which type of filling, downward or upward, that you can command it very easily. Yes. Check the diagonals. One of the diagonal has the sequence. Here, if you understand the concept of this flip method very well, it will be very useful for you to understand the advanced level of 5 by 5 magic square without the extended grids. Here, check this sum. It's awesome. I got the answer 65 on all the sides. And here onwards, so are getting the downward filling. Here observe that the first number, middle number, as last number lie on the same. Now again the downward filling, fill up the grid with the extended cells, then flip the numbers whichever falls outside the grid, flip it inside. Here you see it comes the last pattern of the flip method for beginners level. Flip the numbers whichever falls outside the grid as shown in the figure with respect to the same column or the same row on its opposite side. Flip, check the total. You are getting from all the directions 65 as the magic constant. Let's have a small recap of all 8 patterns. Observe it, the starting number 1 and the diagonals also fall in different positions as shown here. See, all 8 patterns under the flip method, which yields 65 as a magic constant in all 8 different patterns as well. In the next video, you can see the detailed explanation for the medium level, advanced level learners with the swap method, directional method as well. Like, subscribe and share with your other friends as well. Thank you for